Alright guys, we got a snowstorm coming at like 3 o'clock. We're going to take the transmission out of that, replace the diff and put it back in before the snowstorm hits. Let's move. That's what you get. This is what the inside of your transmission should look like. This is what it looks like when you don't run oil. You have zero, nada oil inside the transmission. The fluid is melted together. It's not that good for like well, the snow could be thick, but even using our water is like mid. It's like mid-level. I'm so sick of the snow. In the meantime, Paradise Racing was able to help out our boy Matt do something that hasn't been done before, which is putting FL5 Type R seats inside of a knife gen. We were able to help him make some custom rails for it, as you see in the video. There's more on his YouTube channel. His link will be in the description. Check out his YouTube and Instagram for more.
The next day.
They enjoyed it. I dropped my nigga.
You're a what, sir?
Huh?
You're a what?
Black History Month.
Move, bitch! Get out of my fucking way! It's Black History Month!
Black History Month. I had a dream.
Oh shit. Kiana. That's some dusty as hell.
a parade inside my city.